Did you know that the loneliest generation in history is growing up right now? More kids than ever feel invisible, even in a classroom full of people. But what if I told you there are simple hacks that could turn a shy kid into someone who makes real friends without changing who they are? Stick around till the end, because one of these hacks shocked even me, and it might just change a life. This isn't theory. These are real lessons from a once invisible kid who figured it out the hard way. Being shy isn't bad. It's not something that needs to be fixed. But let's be honest, making friends when you're shy feels like walking through fog. You want to connect, but the fear of being judged freezes your voice. In 2025, with social anxiety rising among kids due to screen dependency and post-pandemic behaviors, it's even harder. Many kids now spend more time messaging than talking face-to-face. Shyness can become a habit, not just a personality trait, especially when children don't get gentle support early on. That's why parents and teachers need to recognize it's not about pushing kids, it's about guiding them step by step. I was that kid, the one who ate lunch alone and pretended it was fine. I used to rehearse things to say, but when the time came, silence. Other kids thought I didn't care about them. The truth, cared too much. One day, a classmate handed me a comic book without a word. I smiled, and that tiny moment sparked everything. That moment showed me, you don't have to be loud to make a friend. You just need to show up in small, brave ways. Today, I'm sharing the same tricks that helped me, and hundreds of kids since. Shy kids often struggle with face-to-face conversations. But there's a secret. Try side-by-side situations. This means doing something next to another kid, not in front of them. Art, Lego, puzzles, even cleanup duty. These low-pressure moments create chances to talk without pressure. In 2025, many schools now use parallel play corners in classrooms for just this reason. Instead of talk to someone new, try work next to someone doing something you like. For teachers, create stations or teams with rotating pairs. For parents, try activities at home that involve teamwork, but not forced dialogue. Want to know the easiest way to start a conversation when you're shy? Don't start with "Hi." Start with "That's cool. What is it?" When kids talk about something they love, they forget to be scared. If your child likes Pokemon, Minecraft, baking, cats, find clubs, groups, or even online communities. In 2025, apps like Tandem Junior and Frenzy Kids are making it safer and easier to connect around hobbies. Teachers, create interest boards where kids pin what they like and see who shares it. Parents, encourage kids to ask, "What are you into?" instead of "Can I play?" Here's a life changer for shy kids. The 3-second rule. When you want to say something, count 1, 3, and just do it. Don't wait until you feel ready. That moment may never come. Confidence doesn't come before the action. It comes after it. This simple trick helped me raise my hand in class for the first time. In 2025, many classrooms now teach this rule in SEL, social emotional learning time. Even if the voice trembles, even if it's just a whisper, that 3-second bravery opens the door. Shy kids worry about being liked. But here's the twist. Friendship isn't about getting something, it's about giving something small. Mail. For help. Compliment someone's drawing. Lend a pencil. In 2025, more kids struggle with transactional friendships, based on status, not kindness. Teach this mantra. Be the one who notices. Be the one who gives. Teachers, highlight kids who show quiet kindness. Parents, model giving without expecting. Kids copy what they see. For parents and teachers, want a powerful way to help shy kids? Create practice zones. Let them rehearse how to introduce themselves, how to join a game, how to walk away politely. In 2025, some schools have friendship labs, quiet rooms where social skills are practiced through roleplay. You can do this at home too. Pretend you're another kid at school, and take turns with your child. Start with a script, then freestyle. It's not silly, it's preparation. Just like learning a new dance or math problem. Words matter, but body language speaks louder, especially for shy kids. Slouched shoulders, crossed arms, looking down. They send stay away signals. Teach this upgrade. Stand tall, eyes open, feet uncrossed. Even a small smile makes a big difference. In 2025, wearable tech like EmotiBand is helping kids notice and improve posture and facial cues in fun ways. Parents, record a short video of your child talking. Watch together and discuss their signals. Teachers, try Mirror Day, where students copy friendly body cues from role models. Dear teachers, shy students often sit silently waiting to be noticed. You can be the bridge that introduces one child to another. Start buddy systems. Assign gentle group roles like idea helper or question keeper. In 2025, trauma-informed teaching highlights that many quiet kids aren't disobedient. They're managing fear. Try a daily friend circle, where each student shares one kind thing they saw that day. Recognize small social risks, like speaking up or inviting others. Your encouragement sticks far longer than you think. Parents, your child learns social courage from your living room first. Ask, what made you feel brave today? Not, did you make friends? Model how to greet neighbors, thank servers, or comfort friends. In 2025, psychologists stress co-regulation before independence. That means kids borrow your calm until they build their own. Be patient. Celebrate efforts, not just outcomes. One mom told me her shy son made his first friend after learning how to say, "Can I sit here?" at the dinner table. Let's face it, not every social effort works. Sometimes the answer is no. Instead of avoiding rejection, teach kids how to bounce back. Say, "That's okay. I'll try again with someone else." In 2025, emotional resilience is as vital as academic success. Role-play disappointment. Praise your child's comeback, not just their courage. For teachers, guide group reflection on how to welcome others and how to handle being left out kindly. You don't need to be popular to be happy. One real friend, someone who sees you, who laughs with you, is enough. That one person can make school feel like home. Encourage quality over quantity. In 2025, more kids are choosing deeper, not wider circles. Shy kids often make the most loyal friends, they just need a chance to show it. And once they do, they're unstoppable. So if you're a teacher, a parent, or a shy kid yourself, this video is for you. Try these hacks, practice them, share them, and please, watch this video again with your child or student. Ask them, which part felt true to you? That question alone might change everything. Because sometimes all a shy kid needs is someone who believes they can make a friend. And if you're still watching, remember what I promised at the beginning. The last hack is this. Someone out there is waiting for you to make the first move. Don't wait for perfect. Just start. Like, share, and subscribe for more tools to raise kind, confident kids. Let's make loneliness less common. Together.